welcome back to my channel Annmaria Kalippilalla. And welcome you guys. So you have already seen them. This is Anupama and this is Salma. You have seen them in my DMU campus tour video. And by the way, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ഫുൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കും സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ബിക്കോസ് എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു. ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ഒരു കുട്ടിക്ക് she speaks in Hindi. So I thought of speaking in English in this whole video. So first of all, today's video is basically we're going to do what? You explain.
We're going on a trip, guys.
Yes, a day trip to Wadi.
Yes, we're going to go for a day trip to Wadi. Wadi al-Shees, yeah. Whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm going to just capture all those moments of us enjoying and whatever happens in there. So I will just, hiking and everything. I'll just add on to this video. And yeah, so all of you enjoy watching.
Yeah.
So we have like 20 minutes to reach. Yes, we have 20 minutes to reach. That's Nandana there. How do you feel now once you reach here? By the way, we have reached what dam? Rafisah Dam. We have reached Rafisah Dam, and then only after going to this dam, we will go to the Wadi. Let's go. Can I go from here? No, it's a train. A lot of things happening in Al Rafisah Dam itself,
A lot.
and it's a vibe in here. Actually, we came here to try the kayaking,
Yes,
the
there's
boating.
also, pedaling.
Yeah, all those. Let's see if we can go for it.
Yes.
Okay, so we have finally decided to go for
Down
paddling.
pedaling boat. All
Yeah,
Yes.
four of us.
Four of us together.
Only one person was out to swim.
this lady.
This is gonna be
Let's do it.
The soldier is getting ready. You are going to pedal the most, okay?
Bye, guys. Yes, I'm totally fine. How do I pedal?
my leg.
Hello. Don't hit us. Okay, now we have switched positions right now. They're doing the steering now. This is an amazing experience.
Yeah, it was slowly.
It's so good. Isn't it so good?
Oh my god!
No, this is
Oh,
So I borrowed this
Yeah, that's what I
from
saw.
Salma.
Wait, reverse.
And this is our last few minutes in the boat.
Where exactly?
We're gonna park our boat now. Bye bye, our Rafisah.
My pedaling, my legs hurt. But this woman is making me record her. The cruelty. Can you see the cruelty? And she's not even...
So we're done with Rafisah Dam. We're done with the Rafisah Dam. Next destination is Wadi of Sheep Park. To the next destination. Getting down at our next.
Where's your clip?
Getting down at our next destination.
This is heavy.
Salma, don't walk backwards.
Bro, I can't stop.
She can't stop. Too cold in here.
Yeah, bro, look at me.
It's very cold. So we're trying to get on the top, right over there. Hopefully. Yes, we're tired. We've climbed all the way from down. And it's too much. We have reached at the top. We're at the top. Alright, so we are done with our vlog for today, and we have enjoyed a lot. For the day trip was so good. Now it's almost 7:30.
Yeah.
So by 8 we would return back to our university.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
Hopefully. As
Yes.
you can see from the exhaustion in our eyes.
Like done.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are
We had
very
a lot of
tired now.
activities
It was
today.
really fun.
It was really fun. How was it for you?
It's really fun. I can't wait to see the reels.
Oh,
Yeah,
And the
we have-
vlog, the first time in English. I can understand it.
oh yes.
Yes,
More
finally.
excited for
And what about you?
It was really fun. Like, but I'm super exhausted.
Yeah.
But we have an essay to do.
Yes, yes, we have an essay to complete and submit day after tomorrow. Fingers crossed for that. All right, thank you so much for watching this vlog with us. Bye bye.